Now let's look at this question number 27 for chemistry, WAEC 2018. Consider the following reaction equation: 2HCl plus CaOH2 to give us CaCl2 plus H2O. What is the volume of 0.1 mole per dm cubed HCl that would completely neutralize 25 cm cubed of 0.3 mole per dm cube CaOH? Now from this you are told to calculate the volume that will completely neutralize 25 cm cubed of 0.3 mole per dm cube of this base. Option A, 150 cm cubed, B, 75 cm cubed, C, 30 cm cubed, D, 25 cm cubed. Now how do you go about solving this? Now before you start solving this, it's very important that you know that this is the acid, this is the acid, HCl is acid, and this is the base, because this is calcium hydroxide. So this is the acid, this is base. Now you can actually find this topic or be able to solve it under titration, or broadly under the topic known as neutralization. And neutralization can be found in our normal textbooks under acid, base and salt. Because if you look at this is typically acid base reaction. This acid reacting with this base, HCl is the acid reacting with calcium hydroxide base to form calcium chloride, which is a salt, and water. So this type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction, and that is what actually took place. So what is the formula that you use in solving a neutralization reaction? We have concentration of the acid times volume of the acid all over concentration of the base times volume of the base equal to the molar concentration of the acid all over molar concentration of the base. So that is the formula that we are going to be using, and we are given that the concentration of the acid is 0.1 mole per dm cubed. That is what is given, because here you can see that I told us that HCl is the acid. You can see that that is the concentration given. Now we are also given that the concentration of the base is 0.3 mole per dm cubed. That's concentration of the base, and it is clearly here. I told us that CaCO2 is the base. This is where I indicated it as the base, and this is the concentration given, which is 0.3. Now we look at volume of the base. Is it given? Yes, it is given. Needed to neutralize 25 cm cube of the base. So this is the volume of the base, which is 25 cm cubed. Now what else do we have? We also have that Na is equal to 2. Na, so the number of moles for acid, you can see that it is 2 here, so that's why we have 2. And we also now have that Mb, this is Na. We also have that Mb, number of molecules or number of moles of the base. You can see that nothing is written, so it's automatically 1, so we have 1 here. So putting this in the equation, in this very equation, putting all these in this very equation, we have Ca is what? 0.1 times Va. Va is what? Va is unknown. That's what we are looking for. So we are looking for Va all over Cb, already given, is 0.3 times Vb, which is volume of the base, 25, equal to Na, number of moles of acid is 2 all over number of moles of base is 1. So when we cross multiply and make Va the subject of the formula, we now have Va to be equal to, so we have every other thing around here, which is 0.3 times 25 times 2 all over the things that are with VA, which is 0.1 times 1, which is also 0.1. So if we multiply out, we are going to be having 15 all over 0.1, which is equal to 150 cm cubed. So the answer here is equal to what? 150 cm cubed. So that makes that the answer. So the answer is actually option A, 150. So once you multiply these out, 0.3 times 25 times 2 all over 0.1, you get 150 cm cubed, and that is the answer. Thank you very much.